everyone, welcome to Code Scholastic. Are you facing an internet connected but no internet access problem? No worries. In this video, I will provide you with the solution. So what happens when you install Security Onion on your virtual machine, or even when you install only a virtual machine, whether it's a VirtualBox or VMware? Sometimes you lose your internet connectivity after installing a virtual machine on your PC. In this video, I will tell you how you can solve this problem. Then I figured out a few steps. To solve this problem, you have to follow all the steps, so don't skip any. Here you can see I am connected, but there is no internet access. I cannot access the internet. Let's try to connect again. No, it still didn't work. Let's move toward a solution. Step 1. Go to the control panel. Click on the network and internet. Then click on the network and sharing center. Click on change adapter setting. Now you can see that the network is not defined. Right click on the Wi-Fi, go to diagnose. When you click on diagnose, you will see another screen. From there, click on restart adapter to restart your network and wait for a while. Now check that you can access your internet. No, I still cannot access my internet. Let's move towards step number 2. Step number 2. Open the VirtualBox or any other virtual machine that you are using. Select the Security Onion file. Click on settings. Go to the network. Change network from internal to bridged network. And click OK. Go back to the control panel and check whether you can access your internet or not. No, I am still unable to use my Wi-Fi connection, but now the VirtualBox is running on the Ethernet 3 because we changed the setting from internal to bridge. Step number 3, right click on the Wi-Fi, click on properties. Now go to configure, click on driver. Now click update the driver. Click on the first one. Okay, now it's done, so close the tab. Still I am unable to access the internet. I am now going to uninstall the driver. That is the last option, so click on uninstall driver. Restart your computer. And now connect to Wi-Fi. Enter your password. We have successfully connected to the internet. Let me open a Google tab so we can search and confirm that we can access the internet. Yes, we can access the internet. That's it. I hope this video was informative for you and it solved your problem. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.